All right, this is everything we sold Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So a PS2 Swords of Vengeance. We picked that up for $1 at a pawn shop, and we sold it for $8.99. Let's see. DVD called Serenade, I think. There it is. Picked that up at a pawn shop for 75 cents. Sold it for $8.49. Picked this up at a pawn shop for $1. Savvy or Style Savvy. We got $18.88 for it. Got a Wee, Zach, and Wiki. We paid $1 for that at a pawn shop. And we got $14.99 for it. All right, we got a Michael Irvin Cowboys jersey. Doesn't look like it's going to be in there either. I have all my jerseys sorted out by sport, so they're a little easier to find. That'd be too easy, wouldn't it? Nope. It's in it. We're getting close. Yeah, it's a white jersey. I believe this is it right here. We bought that at a thrift store for $2.99. We got $32.99 for it. It's right on top. It was the first hat in here. Picked up or sold this Epcot hat for $17.77, and we paid $1.99 for it. Hey, here's another one. Told you they were easy sometimes. Pepsi Max hat, brand new. We picked it up for $1.99. We sold it for $19.99. We ended up buying 5 of those the same day, and we sold all 5 of them finally. It took us about 6 months to get them all sold, but we made pretty good money on that. So, Good Morning Vietnam DVD. Picked it up at a pawn shop for $1. Sold it for $7.49. Sold a 93 Star Company basketball card set, or wax box. Can't remember where I put it. Here we go. We were at Peddler's Junction in Lancaster, Ohio, and I had a sports card shop for like 20 years, and I had never seen these wax packs before. So I ended up picking them up for about 20 bucks. I sold them for about $90 with shipping, I think. But those are pretty cool. Really hard to find. Okay, sold this DVD, 10 Rillington Place. Picked that up at a pawn shop for $1, and we got $15.50 for it. Sold. Find out where I put. Find out where I put the horror stuff, and we will find it. We did put these in alphabetical order. Can't remember her name now. Krista Klebb, I believe, from Halloween. Autograph photo. We paid, I believe, $5.99 for it, and we sold it for $18.88. All right, we sold a Blu-ray of the Matrix collection. Probably one I probably should have kept for myself. Ended up buying that at a flea market for $2.50, and we sold it for $18.88. Lego Lord of the Rings. Lego Lord of the Rings. There we go. Paid $1 for that at a thrift or at a flea market. Not a flea market, a pawn shop. We got $11.99 for it. All right, we sold a 90s WVU sweatshirt. Hopefully it's in here somewhere. Doesn't look like it. I gotta try to figure out where these are. All right, picked this up for $3.99 at a thrift store. We sold it for $23. We're not gonna make a bunch of money on it, but I thought it was a cool shirt and didn't want it to see it go in a dumpster. All right, we sold a 90s Reds t-shirt. Don't think it wasn't that bad. There we go. Picked that up at a thrift store for $1.99, and we sold it for $21.99. All right, so the Catherine Kerner, I think is her name. I think it's in here. I'm not 100% sure. Let me find out. All right, so Gettysburg. And Gods and Generals, we paid $1 for it at the Dollar Tree. Sold it for $13.99. Sold. It's a Chuck Norris thing. I put that under Chuck Norris, maybe? We did. Bought this at the Dollar Tree for $1. Actually, I got this at a pawn shop for $1. And we sold it for $13.99. Casablanca. It's this great big set right here. We paid $2 for this at a pawn shop. It's a huge set. It's got all kinds of like special features and goodies and stuff in the box. We sold it for $15.99. There we go. We sold this. We just listed these this anime the other day, and we sold this Shin-Chan Season 1. We paid $1 for that at a pawn shop, and we sold that for $29.99. We sold a Joe Diffie t-shirt. I actually listed 2 of these, and I should have listed on the front so I didn't have to ruin my bags what size it was. I need an XL, and this is an XL. It's Joe Diffie, Pickup Man, from the his album. We paid $1.99 for that, and we sold it for $24.99. Ghost Rider Blu-ray. We paid $1.50 for it. There it is. Paid $1.50 for that at a pawn shop. We got $8.99 for it. 13 hours. Paid $1.50 for that at a pawn shop. Still brand new. Sold it for $8.99. Sold this Lego Spider-Man set. They finally opened up my store, Peddler's Junction in Belpre, and there's a bunch of other vendors there, so I was able to source this there. It's brand new, still sealed. I bought it for $4. I ended up getting $50 with shipping. Dolomite set. We bought that at the pawn shop the other day for $1.50, and we sold it for $21.99. Not sure what this is. Oni soundtrack. It's a Best Buy exclusive. We picked this up at a flea market for 50 cents. Picked this up at a flea market for 50 cents and we sold it for $23.99. Nickelodeon Fit Wii. Nickelodeon Fit Wii, we paid $1 for it at a pawn shop, sold it for $19.99. PS4 Guitar Hero, we just bought this the other day. We paid $5 for it, sold it for $38.99. Wii Planes. We paid $2 for that at a pawn shop, sold it for $10.99. We Go Vacation. We paid $1 for that at a pawn shop. We sold it for $23.99. Sims 2. I could have sworn I just sold Sims 2. It is Sims 2. We paid $1.99 for that at a pawn shop. We got $14.99 for it. Deep in My Heart. There we go. Paid $1 for that at a pawn shop. We sold it for $13.99. Sims My Kingdom. We bought that at a pawn shop for $1.99. We sold it for $13.99. Sold a Julian Glover 8x10. I think it's Raiders of the Lost Ark, I think. We paid $2.99 for it. We sold it for $16.99. Sold an Axeman of Henderson County. This is a movie that we actually made. Here's the signed cast poster. It had Hacksaw Jim Duggan in it. WVU College Football Hall of Famer Major Harris. Had Jeremy Ambler from The Walking Dead. And we sold this for $9.99. And it cost us $5,000 to make. So, hey, we're slowly getting there. Green Lantern Steelbook. So these steelbooks have really done very well. And those video games have done really well too. We bought this for $2.50 at a flea market, and we sold it for $11.99.